everyone, this is me Asong Filipina with my daughter. So today is the arrival of my husband from Netherlands. So we're gonna drive for now on the way to the hotel. We're gonna stay there overnight because we're not gonna make it there in the airport early because his arrival is evening. So come with me, yes, and I'm gonna show you the hotel when I'm there.
Let's hit the road. Sana all ni Mother Da. Sana all, guys.
Drive safe, everyone. We're gonna hit back the road. Here at Circle Inn. Good morning. Cecil Kirsten ga. So we're here, guys, with my daughter, and now we're gonna show you our room.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello, everybody. So finally, we're here at the hotel, and I'm gonna show you the room here. So this is Circle Inn in Bacolod City, and of course, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm gonna tour you around here, and also they have swimming pool. So okay. So this is the CR.
That is the bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom. The CR, not the CR. And this is the bed. It's small bed.
This is for mommy and daddy. This is for
But they can add extra bed if you want.
Can we put extra bed?
Huh?
You can put extra bed. Wait, I want to share. I want to sit with daddy and
Because usually I order a very big one. Why they give a small? So one for me and one for my husband. And I have to request a bed for my daughter. You want a bed? So you have to do in the floor.
No!
Sleep in the floor.
I will sleep at the cabinet.
But the room here is not expensive. It's only 1,500. Woo! And this is the view here.
Oh my god.
Oh, we have a beautiful view here, Nak. So for now, we're going to SM first. Pizza. Another day. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Sa SM, sa may Starbucks lang midapit. See, the car is there. going to the airport. Grabe. Nadala pa kami ito ha.
Mama, umingaw niya dito. Wadong takaron. Matumba ko. Ibita ako. Tuwadong dito. Mag-amabika ka mo to.
Oh my gosh. So my husband is already in Cebu and we're waiting here in the Bacolod airport. So there's so much space for parking area. So
Mommy, I don't understand, Mama. Why do girls give birth and the boys don't give birth? Mama.
daddy give birth also.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.